Medtech companies strive to produce products that meet the highest levels of quality to guarantee the appropriate delivery of patient care. But it can be a challenge because regulations frequently change. Employee engagement in your company's quality culture differs, and the volume of information you need to manage is dramatically high. So how can you ensure continuous real-time compliance with all regulations to efficiently act on quality for patient safety? Gain a competitive advantage with Siemens' comprehensive quality management system software, which is part of an integrated and collaborative digital backbone. Enhance your engineering and manufacturing processes with our closed-loop quality approach to proactively identify and avoid potential failures for delivering high-quality products. You can navigate customer and regulatory requirements by leveraging reliable quality project planning, systematic investigations of issues, consistent data evaluations, and structured audits to assess the adherence to quality standards and industry guidelines set by regulatory bodies. By implementing audit programs, conducting regular assessments, and tracking employee trainings and qualifications, you can detect and address any gaps in your core company's processes and pursue your commitment to continuous quality improvement and compliance. Achieve peace of mind while enhancing product quality and reinforce your expertise by continuously monitoring the quality of your medical devices. Join quality with compliance for medical device safety with Siemens closed-loop quality and compliance tools.